and we decided, let's take this truck and bring it up to the next level, let everybody see what this thing can do. Hi, I'm Nate Johnson. I'm in the marketing department, Factory 5 Racing. This is the test mule we did all our development on, and it's had the crap beat out of it for 2 years, then all the way out to Ocotillo with Fox, doing all the testing. We did some custom tuned shocks. So after all the testing was done, it's been sitting back at the shop, and we decided, let's take this truck and bring it up to the next level, and let's do the Build for Off-Road adventure ride and let everybody out there see it. You know, it really hasn't been out on the West Coast much, and I'd like to get out there and just see what people think of it. So the overall goal of the whole XTF project was to give people the ability to go off-roading and have fun with it at a reasonable price, and that's what we've done. You have your F-150, we give you the kit for it, and you swap it over to our chassis, all our parts, and go out and have fun with it. So what we decided to do here is, we wanted to put a full cage in it and the gear ratio. It had stock 331 gears in it. Even with the blower on it, it was still kind of a dog. So we went to 456s, and Ian's putting the cage in, race seats, and really just turned it into something ready to go to do the adventure ride. So the biggest thing of going out on the adventure ride, it gives us the opportunity to go out and actually be out in places like Johnson Valley and go actually be in the desert and create content with it and let people drive it and see what they think of it. I want feedback from the people who are actually in this world. People like Ian that have done it before, Brad. I wanted to see what these guys think of it and give me honest feedback. See, because it's fun as hell to me, so hoping they agree.